Next-level survival gear and gadgets represent a new era in preparedness and outdoor equipment. These cutting-edge tools and products are designed to ensure safety and convenience in challenging situations, from wilderness adventures to emergency scenarios. Combining innovative technology and durable craftsmanship, these gear and gadgets are tailored to meet the needs of modern survivalists and adventurers, taking outdoor and survival experiences to the next level. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. Thyrm PyroVault 2.0. A revolutionary upgrade to the popular PyroVault, designed to keep your Zippo-style lighter safe, secure, and always ready for action. Crafted from robust, heat-resistant polymer, the PyroVault 2.0 is built to withstand harsh conditions and provide dependable protection for your lighter. Its enhanced latch mechanism ensures a secure closure, while a MOLE/PALS compatible clip allows for versatile attachment to gear, belts, or bags. The updated design also features a spring-loaded cap for one-handed operation, making it even more convenient in challenging situations. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a first responder, or a preparedness-minded individual, the Thyrm PyroVault 2.0 ensures your essential fire-starting tool remains accessible and functional when you need it most. Elevate your outdoor gear with the PyroVault 2.0. Where durability meets innovation in a lighter case that's engineered to excel in any environment. Number 9. Sog Survival Hawk. A versatile and compact survival tool that combines the functionality of an axe, hammer, and more, making it an essential companion for outdoor adventures and emergency situations. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the Survival Hawk features a sharp blade for cutting and chopping, a hammerhead for pounding, and a pry bar at the base for a wide range of tasks. Its compact size and nylon sheath make it easy to carry and store, ensuring it's readily available when you need it. Whether you're a camper, hiker, or preparedness enthusiast, the Sog Survival Hawk is designed to handle the toughest challenges in the great outdoors or during emergencies. Elevate your outdoor gear with this multifunctional tool, where versatility meets rugged durability in a compact package that's built to perform when it matters most. Number 8. Goal Zero Crush Light Solar-Powered Lantern, a game-changer in portable lighting solutions. This compact and collapsible lantern harnesses the power of the sun, featuring a built-in solar panel that charges the internal battery during the day. When night falls, the Crush Light provides a soft and ambient LED light that's perfect for camping, backpacking, or emergency situations. Its collapsible design makes it ultra-portable, and it can easily be hung from a tent or backpack for convenient use. With multiple light settings, including a candle flicker mode for added ambience, this lantern offers versatility for all your lighting needs. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or preparing for unexpected power outages, the Goal Zero Crush Light Solar-Powered Lantern ensures you have a reliable and eco-friendly source of illumination wherever your adventures take you. Elevate your outdoor lighting game with this sustainable and convenient lantern, where innovation meets eco-conscious design in a compact package. Number 7. Holtzman's Survival Pen. A versatile and indispensable tool that combines everyday convenience with life-saving functionality. This sleek and compact writing instrument is far more than just a pen. It packs an array of survival features into its sleek design. Crafted from high-quality materials, it features a tungsten carbide tip that can break glass in emergencies, a built-in LED flashlight for illumination in low-light situations, and a multi-tool with a blade, bottle opener, and more. The Survival Pen also boasts a hidden compartment for storing small items like emergency cash or a micro SD card, whether you're an urban dweller or an outdoor enthusiast. Number 6. Zune Lotoo Survival Camping Shovel. A versatile and rugged tool that's a game-changer for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists. Crafted from high-quality materials, this multifunctional shovel combines a compact design with a wide range of features, making it an indispensable companion for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. The Zune Lotoo shovel can be used as a shovel, hoe, saw, and even a bottle opener, offering endless utility in the wilderness. Its collapsible design makes it easy to carry and store, and it even includes a durable carrying case for added convenience. Whether you're digging a fire pit, chopping wood, or preparing for survival scenarios, the Zune Lotoo Survival Camping Shovel is designed to handle it all. Number 5. Jackery Explorer 300 Power Station. A portable and versatile energy solution that empowers your outdoor adventures and ensures you're always connected. With a robust 293 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, this power station provides reliable electricity for a variety of devices, from smartphones and laptops to mini fridges and camping equipment. The Explorer 300 can be recharged via solar panels or AC power, offering flexibility in any environment. It features multiple USB ports, an AC outlet, and a 12V carport, allowing you to charge and power your essentials simultaneously. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to transport, while the integrated handle adds convenience. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or facing unexpected power outages, the Jackery Explorer 300 ensures you have a dependable and eco-friendly power source that keeps you connected and prepared for anything. Elevate your outdoor experience with this portable power station, where innovation meets energy independence in a compact package. Number 4. CRKT Driver Set. A versatile and indispensable toolset that's designed to meet your everyday repair and maintenance needs. This comprehensive set includes a variety of interchangeable bits and a comfortable handle to tackle a wide range of tasks, from assembling furniture to fixing gadgets. The driver set is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. Its compact and organized design makes it easy to carry and store, whether at home, in your workshop, or on the go. With a magnetic bit holder for secure handling, this toolset simplifies your DIY projects and repairs. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, the CRKT Driver Set is engineered to be your trusted companion, providing essential tools for various tasks and keeping you prepared for any fixing challenge. Elevate your tool collection with this versatile and practical set, where convenience meets reliability in a compact package. Number 3. Nite Ize CamJam XT. A revolutionary and versatile tool designed to make securing and tensioning ropes and cords a breeze. Crafted with high-quality materials, this innovative device features a cam mechanism that allows you to quickly and securely adjust the tension of your lines. The CamJam XT is ideal for a wide range of applications, from camping and outdoor adventures to securing gear and cargo. With its robust construction, it can handle heavy loads, ensuring your belongings remain secure. The CamJam XT also features an integrated carabiner clip, offering versatile attachment options. Whether you're a seasoned outdoors enthusiast or someone looking for a reliable way to secure your gear, the Nite Ize CamJam XT is engineered to simplify your tasks and provide peace of mind. Elevate your outdoor and organizational experience with this versatile and dependable tool, where innovation meets practicality in a compact package. Number 2. Hogue EX-F03. A versatile and rugged fixed blade knife designed to tackle a variety of cutting tasks in demanding environments. Crafted from high-quality materials, this knife features a durable A2 tool steel blade with a rugged black finish, ensuring longevity and reliability. The blade's versatile drop-point design excels at slicing, chopping, and piercing, making it a valuable tool for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals alike. The EX-F03 boasts a comfortable and grippy G10 handle with textured scales for a secure hold, even in wet conditions. With its versatile Kydex sheath that offers multiple carry options and a detachable clip, this knife is ready for any adventure or situation. Whether you're camping, hunting, or need a dependable tool for tactical operations, the Hogue EX-F03 combines functionality and durability in a compact and versatile package, ensuring it's always up to the task. Elevate your cutting game with this dependable and practical fixed blade knife, where ruggedness meets precision in the great outdoors. Number 1. Medford Knives USMC Fighter. A formidable and precision-crafted fixed blade knife that pays tribute to the legendary Marine Corps. This knife is meticulously engineered with the highest quality materials to meet the toughest challenges in the field. The USMC Fighter boasts a robust D2 tool steel blade with a versatile drop-point design, making it adept at various cutting tasks, from survival and utility to combat. Its ergonomic G10 handle ensures a secure and comfortable grip, while the exposed pommel offers versatility in emergency situations. With a Kydex sheath and multiple carry options, this knife is always at your side, ready for action.